Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about one of our latest new products, the WSC-1016. The WSC-1016 is a wire stripping plier designed to strip single conductor wires from 10 to 16 gauge or multi-strand or multi-conductor wires from 12 to 18 gauge. The tool features the following: knurled jaws and a grooved gripping slot for grabbing nuts or bolts or screws. 4 stripping holes, one for 10 gauge, 12 gauge, 14 gauge, or 16 gauge single conductor, or it would be 12 gauge, 14 gauge, 16 gauge, or 18 gauge for multi-strand or multi-conductor wires. The tool also has cutting blades below the stripping notches, as well as a crimping terminal underneath the rivet, ergonomic handles, and comes with our Made for Life lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.